Hey everybody, Tyler Bernardine here with RE/MAX Results. We're at 39 Simmons Street in Newport's 5th Ward. This is a standalone single family with plenty of off-street parking. Come take a look. We all knew off-street parking is a commodity here in Newport, and 39 Simmons offers plenty of room for at least 4 vehicles and a couple mopeds if you have those too. Right off the kitchen is a southeast facing deck. It's perfect for morning coffee or evening wine. Come check out the inside. The main level of living is accessed through that south deck. And on this floor, you're going to find an open style living concept, complete with a renovated kitchen, spacious living room, and a full bathroom as well. Walk up the stairs to the loft style bedroom, where you'll find ample space, including 2 closets, a balcony that overlooks the living room, and a reading nook as well that faces over the southeast deck. With another full bathroom, bedroom, laundry area, and storage space, the lower level offers plenty of room for friends, families, or visiting guests. The back patio is fully hardscaped, providing a perfect low maintenance escape to the outdoor space. This is a perfect opportunity for somebody looking to buy a move-in ready single family in the 5th Ward. For more information on 39 Simmons Street or to schedule a private showing, please contact me directly. I'm Tyler Bernardine with RE/MAX Results.